And really, we try to get together to talk about some of the bigger issues in education in Arizona. There's always lots going on. We cover pre-K to post-secondary, so it really runs the gamut of all the education issues. Really trying to elevate some of the conversation, understand what's going on, see how we can all work together and collaborate. There's a lot of education collaboration going on already, but we like to be able to bring ideas to the larger group to see if there's interest on behalf of more of the group. A little bit about what we've done in the past. There's been a number of things in the last couple of years. We brought in some out-of-state speakers. Remember the National Council on Teacher Quality, to talk about their work around colleges of education, a conversation we were having earlier. Sybil Francis and Amanda Burke came and talked about Move On When Ready. I think we've had in the past where somebody from the governor's office has come and talked about their education agenda. If not, we should do that.
That's a good idea.
What their thinking is. So it's really a lot about bringing the issues to the table, getting everybody involved in that conversation so we know what's going on. Upcoming, not a program that we have, but there's a lot of change going on in Arizona around education with Common Core, a lot of STEM activities that we're all involved in. So we want to be able to bring those to the table as well, because I think we all have a lot of common interests and obviously want to improve education and educational attainment, and how can we work together. Upcoming, we have our slate of mostly filled out. On March 28th, we're bringing a couple of folks together, Karen Ortiz in our office, I believe Marilee Del Pra, and I'm not sure if someone from Steele Foundation, but we're going to be talking about the BUILD initiative and the effort that those groups brought in, and now it's a much larger collaboration. I know healthcare is involved. It's around building an early childhood system in Arizona, not just around education, but healthcare and all of the pieces that support young children and prepare them for school and health. So that will be an interesting one, a very collaborative effort. And then in May, we've got a collaborative funding forum. So we want to ask people to bring their ideas of things that they're in, collaborations they're working on, to bring it to the table to see if there's additional interest from other funders of engaging in that. There is, with Piper funding, there is a new literacy director for the state of Arizona, and we want to ask her to come and share with the group what her work will entail around the state of Arizona, around Read on Arizona and early literacy efforts. Again, that's a very collaborative effort. ACF, Piper, Helios, all of the United Ways are in the main cities right now, but it will continue to grow. So I think it would be an interesting thing for people to hear about and how maybe they could connect. And then we haven't done much lately on post-secondary education, but we've got something teed up. We want to talk about that topic, whether it's scholarships or other issues around post-secondary education at the end of the year. So hopefully it'll be a good agenda. Obviously, any ideas that people have that they want to talk about, and we know that there's so much more going on in education. Common Core is a huge issue for all of us who are dealing with education. So any ideas that you have, we'd love to hear about them.